Standard 12th. Subject: Economics. Chapter number 1. Introduction to Microeconomics and Macroeconomics. Let's learn. In this chapter we will study: first, Introduction. Second, Historical review of microeconomics. Third, Historical review of macroeconomics. Fourth, Meaning of microeconomics. Fifth, Scope of microeconomics. Sixth, Features of microeconomics. Seventh, Importance of microeconomics. Eighth, Meaning of macroeconomics. Ninth, Definitions of macroeconomics. 10th, Scope of macroeconomics. 11th, Features of macroeconomics. 12th, Importance of macroeconomics. Let's recall. Let us see the meaning of economics. The term economics is derived from the Greek word oikonomia, which means management of the household. Economics is referred to as Queen of Social Sciences by Paul Samuelson. According to Kautilya, Arthashastra, economics is the science of acquiring and managing wealth. Let us see definitions of economics given by different economists. Many economists have defined economics in different ways. First, Adam Smith, a classical economist, is regarded as the father of economics. He has given the welfare-oriented definition of economics. Second, Alfred Marshall, a neoclassical economist, has given the welfare-oriented definition of economics. Third, Lionel Robbins, a modern economist, has given the scarcity-oriented definition of economics. Introduction. Microeconomics and macroeconomics are the two main branches of modern economics. The term micro is derived from the Greek word mikros, which means small or a millionth part. The term macro is derived from the Greek word makros, which means large. These terms were coined by Norwegian economist Ragnar Frisk of Oslo University in 1933. Do you know? Ragnar Anton Kittel Frisk, 1895–1973, a Norwegian econometrician and economist, was a joint winner with Jan Tinbergen of the first Nobel Prize for Economics in 1969. He was a pioneer of econometrics, the application of mathematical models and statistical techniques to economic data and theories. He coined many economic terms. In an article on business cycles, Frisk was likely the first person to have referred to the study of individual firm and producer as microeconomics. Moreover, he referred to the study of the aggregate economy as macroeconomics. The next topic is historical review of microeconomics. Microeconomic analysis was developed first. It is a traditional approach. Origin of this approach can be traced back to the era of classical economists. Adam Smith, David Ricardo, J.S. Mill, etc. It was popularized by neoclassical economist Professor Alfred Marshall in his book Principles of Economics, published in 1890. Other economists like Professor Pigou, J. R. Hicks, Professor Samuelson, Mrs. Joan Robinson, etc., have also contributed to the development of microeconomics. Next topic is historical review of macroeconomics. First, Macroeconomics did exist in the past before the evolution of microeconomics. In the 16th and 17th century, followers of mercantilists, a group of English merchants, advocated policies to the government which were based on macro approach. In the 18th century, physiocrats, French thinkers, tried to analyze the concept of national income and wealth. Even the classical economic theories of Professor Adam Smith, Professor Ricardo and Professor J.S. Mill discussed the determination of national income and wealth. But their macro-analysis was combined with micro-analysis. Thus, micro-analysis ruled the world of economics till the Great Depression of 1930. Next topic is meaning of microeconomics. As we see before, meaning of economic. Let us see in detail about meaning of microeconomics. Micro means a small part of a thing. Microeconomics thus deals with a small part of the national economy. It studies the economic actions and behavior of individual units, such as an individual consumer, individual producer or a firm, the price of a particular commodity or a factor etc. Next topic is definitions of microeconomics. You have already studied some important definitions of microeconomics, let us review some more definitions. First, Morris Dobb. Microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. Second, Professor A.P. Lerner. Microeconomics consists of looking at the economy through a microscope, as it would to see how the millions of cells in the body of economy, the individuals or households as consumers, and individuals or firms as producers, play their part in the working of the whole economic organism. Scope of microeconomics. Let us see the following chart given below an idea of the scope of microeconomics. Scope of microeconomics is classified are as follows. First, theory of product pricing. Second, theory of factor pricing. Third, theory of economic welfare. The theory of product pricing is further classified into first, demand analysis. Second, supply analysis. The theory of factor pricing is further classified into first, rent. Second, wages. Third, interest. Fourth, profit. Theory of economic welfare is further classified into first, efficiency in production. Second, efficiency in consumption. Third, overall economic efficiency. A theory of product pricing. First, the price of an individual commodity is determined by the market forces of demand and supply. Second, microeconomics is concerned with demand analysis, that is, individual consumer behavior, and supply analysis, that is, individual producer behavior. B. Theory of factor pricing. First, in microeconomics, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur are the factors that contribute to the production process. Second, microeconomics helps in determining the factor rewards for land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur in the form of rent, wages, interest, and profit respectively. C. Theory of economic welfare. Theory of welfare basically deals with efficiency in the allocation of resources. Efficiency in the allocation of resources is attained when it results in maximization of satisfaction of the people. Thanks for watching.